I've lied to the world, to myself and to you. Got lost in the dark, didn't know what was true. But still you reached out, said come on, be free. No shame, no blame, just grace over me. You saw the worst, yet chose to stay. My God, you love me anyway. Only you, my Lord, only you I praise. You light up my soul and you steady my ways. All my devotion, all of my song belongs to the one who loved me all along. No one else, no one above. Only you, my Lord, my life, my love. A million stars can't outshine you. No treasure on earth compares to what's true. You are the reason I breathe, I sing. My soul is yours, my offering. No greater love I've ever known. You, my Lord, sit on the throne. I promise you now, I'll rise from the fall. I'll walk in your truth and give you my all. No more pretend.